Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a Cruella De Vil inspired makeup look. I absolutely love Disney and Emma Stone, so 2 in 1. I am really looking forward to doing this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and let's get into it. So we're starting out by using a primer to get rid of any redness in the skin. I'm using the One Step Primer by Stila. I absolutely love it. I'm going in with a foundation lighter than my natural skin tone and honestly just applying it like a moisturiser and rubbing it into my skin and trying to make sure I don't miss any spaces, as you can tell because the colour is different. Where there's still redness, I am applying some concealer just to try and cover up the best I can. And we're blending it all out. In, out, shake it all about. I'm using a clear translucent white powder from NYX and I'm just buffing that into the skin and trying to make sure I get it everywhere so everything's set. I'm using this super cool Colourpop blusher in this really bright vibrant pink and applying it to the apples of my cheeks and my cheekbones. I'm just going to go in and blend it all out so it doesn't look so stark and scary. I am doing my eyebrows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz and I'm trying to create an arch higher than my natural just because we want that wicked Cruella De Vil type vibe. And I'm just doing the same to the other eyebrow here. So I'm going in with this Jeffree Star palette and I'm using the shade Life Insurance and just applying that all over the lid. And then I'm going in with a colour called Wednesday, which is a darker grey, and applying that into my crease. I'm using a white shade just to highlight my brow bone, and then I'm going in and adding a little winged liner on the outer edge of my eye. I'm going in with the dark grey eyeshadow and just going along the lower lash line. And then we're using a black kohl eyeliner on the waterlines, both the upper and the lower, and tight lining my eyes to create a really dark looking eye. I'm just applying a generous coat of mascara here in my same old fashion. I'm using this Maybelline red lip liner and I have created a really sharp cupid's bow. I am colouring in my lips with the lip liner. We're filling it in, almost there. And then the last step is to apply lipstick. I'm using this bright red lipstick from MAC and just applying it all over my lips. I actually didn't like the colour as much as I thought I would, so I went in with a really bright orangey red from Colourpop and just popped that on over the top. That is the final look. I think this is quite a wearable version of the makeup, so if you're going on a night out or somewhere fancy, it is a makeup look you can wear. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time.